Carrylook.com has been gaining attention as an online shopping platform, but the big question remains, is it a legitimate store or just another scam? Upon investigating, several red flags and concerns arise, though not enough to make a definitive claim either way. While the website appears professionally designed with an extensive range of products at seemingly attractive prices, there are multiple factors that raise suspicion. First, there is limited transparency regarding the company's background, with no clear details about its physical location or ownership. Additionally, customer reviews are scarce or inconsistent, making it difficult to determine the actual shopping experience. Some users report delays in shipping, unresponsive customer service, or receiving items that don't match the descriptions, while others claim to have had no issues at all. The website's policies, particularly regarding returns and refunds, also seem vague or potentially restrictive, which could pose problems for dissatisfied buyers. Another concern is the relatively new domain registration, which is often a red flag for unreliable stores, though not a guarantee of a scam. With mixed signals, it's crucial for potential customers to proceed with caution, conduct thorough research, and consider safer, well-established alternatives before making any purchases.